I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday. I'll see you guys in the next workout. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we have a full body weight workout. It's only made up of 4 exercises. Each exercise we're going to do for 4 sets. There's a particular way we're going to do these with a particular number of repetitions. Do the best that you can. I'm going to do the best that I can throughout all of these. First exercise is a foot together squat. Then we're going to go with a push-up, a leg raise, and we're going to finish this entire thing off with some burpees. But we're going to, like I said, follow a particular set of repetitions. So let's get going with the first exercise. Keep your feet together and go down as far as you can while trying to keep your back as upright as possible. My hip mobility is horrible. I'm going to do the best that I can. Just don't laugh at me too much. Ready? Let's go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Go down as far as you can and come back up. We're going for 30. 2, 3. Keep those feet together, closer, all the way together. Let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very short breaks between the sets. 9, 10. We got 20 more. We got it in us. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let those quads burn. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. They got 10 more. Ready? 2. Keep it up. Stay with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 1 and 2. Like I said, very short breaks, just a couple seconds. Catch your breath. 1, 2, 3. We're going for 20. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 1 and 2. Looking good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. We got 2 more sets of 20 left. You guys ready to go? And then 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, that's another 2 seconds. We got last set of 20. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Legs together. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Good pace. 4. No reason to rush. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 left. That's it. We got this. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more. Last one. And 10. All right, now we can relax. So legs are done for this workout. How did that feel, guys? Felt pretty good to me. Like I said, my hip mobility, nothing to write home about. I do these regardless. I get better at it, so I expect the same from you. All right, now, exercise number 2. We're moving to push-ups. We're gonna do 12, and then we're gonna follow the same type of rest period, couple of breaths, and then we're gonna move on to the other 3 sets. So we're going 12, 8, 8, 8. If you have to drop down on your knees to do the push-ups after a certain point, no problem. I always say this, you guys make fun of me, my workouts are your workouts, so I might have to drop down to my knees at some point. So on the push-ups, keep your elbows pretty tucked in. I don't want you to flare them out here. I want to keep them tucked in or no more than about 30 degrees from your body. I don't want any shoulder injuries. I want you to come back during your next workout and be injury free. So we're going for 12, 8, 8, 8, 8. Same 3, 4, 5 second breaks. You guys ready to go? Give me a good plank position. Best push-ups that we can do. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, and 2. Whew. Couple second break, and we're going for 8. I am creaky today. All right, sets of 8. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, it's going to be much more difficult for me. That's the whole point, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whew. 2 more sets. Oh yeah, feeling it already. All right, let's stack out 8. Ready? 3, 2, 1. As many as we can, or 8. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I don't know if I can make this last set. I'll give it a best shot. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Last set. 8 push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, and 8. Whoa boy. All right, 2 exercises down. Leaves us with 2 exercises left. We're going core. We're going leg raises. Laying down on the ground, hands underneath your butt, legs up, and then shoot them towards the ceiling just a little bit. We're going for 20 repetitions. First set, 15 repetitions, the 3 subsequent sets. Once again, this one is not going to be easy. Let's do the best that we can. All right, guys, on the ground. Support your lower back. Put those hands in diamond shape right underneath the small of your back. And you guys are ready to go. I know when I do this exercise, I always move towards the wall over there. Move back a little bit. And we're going for 20. You guys ready? It's just up like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, halfway, keep it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 1, and 2. Take a breather for a few seconds, ready? 3, 2, 1. We're going for 15, let's go. 1, 2, control those legs, I don't want you doing this. 3, stop them before they hit the ground. 4, if they don't, lay them down gently. 5, 6, 7, 8, come on, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, 2 more sets. These are gonna be just as hard as the push-ups. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 more, and 5. Ooh. Oh boy. All right, you guys ready to go? It is what it is. 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, and 2, 3, 4. 1 more, and 5. All right, 3 exercises down. That leaves us with the grand finale. And it is by far my most favorite and loved exercise, which is the burpee. So we're doing 10, then we're doing 6, 6, and 6. Same short rest period, same thing. This is the last thing, guys. So the burpee, down, up. I want you to lay your chest all the way down the ground. Push-ups as you come up. If you can, give me a little hop. If you don't hop, that's fine. If you don't push up, that's fine. Let's continue these reps with me. Do the best that you can. That's what we have asked for over here at Fit After 50, right? All right, guys. 10 burpees. I gotta make sure I get enough room. I think I'm okay. Let's go in 3, 2, 1. So it's gonna be down on the ground, hands up, push up, and that's 1. All right, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. 1, and 2. Whew. Set number 1 done. 3 more sets of 6. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. Halfway. 4, 5, and 6. 2 more sets of 6. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 1, 2, 3. Pace is definitely slowing down. 4. 2 more. 1, and 2. All right. You guys with me still? I'm barely here. There we go. 1 more set. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 6. 1, 2. Halfway there. 4. 2 more. 5 and 6. And 6. And that's it, guys. I love catching my breath in the honest workouts and trying to talk to you at the same time. All right. Thank you for joining me today for the After 50. This was our body weight workout. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're breathing as hard as I am. My name is Paul. I take you through these workouts every Monday and every Thursday. I'll see you guys in the next workout.